CPAA has been my family under the guidance of Sabru Saab, who's been a crusader against cancer for almost 40 years now. A visionary, a pioneer, helped thousands and thousands, lakhs of people. कैंसर पीड़ितों की मदद उन्होंने तब शुरू की जब कोई कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं था. कैंसर सिर्फ एक डरावना सा नाम था जो हम फिल्मों में देखा करते थे. एंड पीपल डिडंट नो मच अबाउट इट. क्योर्स नहीं थे, इलाज नहीं थे, एक्सेस नहीं था. आज भी हम देखते हैं कि जब हम ड्राइव्स करते हैं कितने सारे बच्चे गांव-गांव से आते हैं, जहां पर खासकर द लिटिल वंस, द किड्स who need help, who don't have money, उनके पास गांव से किसी तरह वो कुछ बेच कर मुंबई पहुंच जाते हैं. And then they come to Cancer Patients Aid Association, and it gives us great privilege to be able to say that हम साल के 14 से 15,000 पेशेंट्स की मदद कर पाते हैं as an organization, and that's a big number.
I think any exhibition that has a good cause attached gets a plus point, and Cancer Patients Aid Association raises a lot of money through this exhibition, and they use it for their awareness and prevention programs. As we all know, cancer is a very expensive disease, and unless people like the artists and people from the creative world support an NGO, it's very hard for them to cope through the year.
मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं बतौर एक एक्टर सोशल कॉजेज से जुड़ता हूँ. मुझे लगता है कि मैं बतौर एक सोशल एक्टिविस्ट, एक सोशल वर्कर जुड़ता हूँ, जो मैं मानता हूँ कि मेरे जीवन का एक बहुत अहम हिस्सा है. आई थिंक वी आर ऑल मैनी पीपल, we live many different lives.
Anything that is taboo, children will always do the opposite. If they're 21 and adults, I think they're sensible enough to make their decisions, and their upbringing and family background is all that matters. So I think 21 would have been an appropriate age.
करप्शन, भ्रष्टाचार की लड़ाई में सबसे ज़्यादा जागृति पैदा करने के लिए मीडिया को श्रेय जाता है. अन्ना हज़ारे ने इतनी मेहनत करके एक पहल रखी, एक इतना कमिटमेंट दिखाया, लेकिन अन्ना हज़ारे जी के लिए जो प्लेटफॉर्म मीडिया ने क्रिएट किया, उससे पूरा देश गैल्वनाइज हो गया, एक हो गया. एंड आई थिंक हर इंसान अलग अलग तरीके से इस मुहिम में जुड़ रहा है. हमें लगता है कि हर नागरिक को, हर भारतीय को अपने ही तरीके से जुड़ना चाहिए, लेकिन जुड़ना चाहिए.
I think the Baba Ramdev incident is probably unprecedented. Post-independence, one has not seen a kind of reaction and response from the police such as that. Having said that, in a democracy, I think it's the right of everyone to agitate against the government if the government doesn't listen. And if the government had a problem with that, they shouldn't have gone there at night and beaten up women and senior citizens. It should have been done in a more methodical fashion, which it could have happened in the day as well. Whether you agree or disagree with him, you can't have different tunes at different times.
I was very disappointed to see, the kind of tear gassing of peacefully sleeping, women and children. I mean, it was your people, journalists and media people who very bravely braved tear gas shells and lathi charges and actually shot those images. I couldn't believe we were in India. I mean, हम normally बहुत गर्व से कहते हैं कि भारत एक डेमोक्रेसी है, दुनिया की सबसे बेहतरीन डेमोक्रेसीज में एक है, सबसे बड़ी डेमोक्रेसी है. वी ऑलवेज टेक प्राइड इन द फैक्ट दैट इंडिया इज सच the world's greatest democracy, in my mind the world's greatest country. But then great cannot just be in an emotion, great cannot just be in a patriotic fervor. Great has to translate, great has to be in action, as in thought. We really have to come good on the promises that each of us, on the legacy of Gandhi, we have to come good on it. Every single individual, every single Indian needs to stand up and say, this is my fight, this is my country.
Smoking is a very important factor that we all need to help combat, because as you all know, lung cancer and mouth cancer, the biggest cause is smoking. Having said that, World No Tobacco Day creates an awareness, but it's to keep the movement going through the year.